Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, that is SV Arts. So in this video we are going to tell you about drawing tools that are required for beginners. So as you all know that Vinod Taduka Arts and Shweta Arts got merged now as SV Arts. So I am going to introduce my wife. She will going to explain about the drawing tools. So over to Shweta.
Hi guys, this is Shweta. Welcome to our new video. So this video is about drawing tools for beginners. People who are interested in drawing and don't know how to start their art journey. So in this video, I am going to show you what drawing tools are required for beginners. So let's get started. First of all, for drawing, obviously you need pencils. There are lots of pencils available in the market for drawing. For beginners, I recommend these Artline pencils. It will cost you around 60 to 80 rupees only, and you will be getting around 6 grades of pencils, which are HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B and 10B, and you can buy these Artline pencils online or offline. When it comes to drawing papers, I recommend to buy any normal drawing papers which are available in your nearby stationery. So why I am saying is that because in your initial stage, you need a lots of practice. So don't buy any premium drawing papers. After you are getting improvement, then you can buy premium drawing papers. This is mechanical pencil which is used for outlining and detailing. For blending in large areas, we have to use these paper stumps, and for small areas, we have to use these earbuds. For soft blending, we can use tissue papers in the areas like face, body and hands. You can buy any eraser and sharpener in the beginning. So these are the main drawing tools to start your art journey.
So that's it for the video guys. Hope you understand the explanation given by the Shweta. In case you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.